Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US government has signalled a new era of activist intervention in international oil markets, experts said, with the White House increasingly willing to use its strategic stockpiles of crude to manage global prices. Xi Jinping said China's economy is resilient and vowed to deepen economic ties with other countries as he began a third term as head of the country's ruling Communist Party. Japanese authorities are likely to have spent more than $30 billion last week in their second intervention in a month to prop up the yen after it fell to a fresh 32-year low against the dollar. According to estimates by traders, the pound got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Finland's Producer Price Index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.